How to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. So the first thing you would do is go ahead to your gallery, go to the video that you're facing this problem with. So I'm just going to click on this one. So if you tap on it, you'll see an edit sign at the very bottom. So click on the edit sign. Now, depending on your phone, there will be a resolution signal right here, or depending on your phone, it can be at the bottom as well. So click on this and make sure that it is at this one right here and not higher than this one. And then go ahead and click save, and then your resolution will decrease and you'll be able to upload it to TikTok. So if this feature is not available on your phone, you can download apps such as InShot or CapCut. So I'm just going to go to CapCut. So go ahead and press on New Project. So click on the video that you want to import to TikTok and press Add. So at the very top, you'll see this resolution right here. So just tap on it and make sure that you adjust it to this part right here. And then once you do that, you can just press this download button and it will download it for you. So that is how to fix a TikTok video resolution not supported at this time.